Okay, good, good, good. All right. So can you just give me the past tense of this particular sentence? Okay.
Okay.
I think about you. The past tense
I
of this.
I thought about you.
Very good. Um, I I have I I bring food.
I brought food.
Brought food. I buy clothes. This is wrong English, okay? But I want you to say the past tense. Okay.
I what you say? I
I buy clothes.
I bought clothes.
Hmm. Bought. Bought.
Bought clothes.
Bought. Buy is bought and bring is brought. Right. Okay.
Brought.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Open
said
talk.
what is it?
Open talk.
Okay. What is that? Like, how does it function? May I know that too?
Okay. Like once you join on this app, you can freely call over the India outside of the India. Once you call,
Okay.
it may be connect anywhere of the India. There is no choice
Okay.
you have.
Oh, all right, all right. That's it's
Yeah.
fun. Like, is the other end tutors and the
Both are learners. Both sides are learners.
okay,
Okay.
okay, that is interesting. Hmm.
If I put a call,
Hmm.
it will go on somewhere, maybe sometime in India, sometime outside of the India. I
Hmm.
speak with Pakistani people 2 or 3 times.
Ah.
I speak with Bangladeshi people. I speak with South Indian people.
Mhm.
I think I mistake here. Spoke.
Yeah, yeah, great, great. I was writing it down. I was jotting it down. So yeah, I spoke with very good. Yeah, I spoke with South Indian people. You said right? Peoples.
Yeah,
Did you say peoples?
people, not people,
People.
people.
Yeah, yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. And what is the topic for today? Have you gone through this session document?
I think irrational fear, phobia.
Okay, aerational.
Yeah, irrational.
Okay. So, what do you want to talk about it? Do you have any stories at that time?
No, I don't have irrational fear about anything.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, can you just give me a experience that you had when you went to some place for a vacation? Like, can you just give me every bit of detail about where you went? Why was it very exciting? How was it different from other vacations?
I didn't go went any vacation. It's
Okay, okay,
because yeah, only I went for any purpose. Means if someone have a marriage, so in that case, any memory vacation.
okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. Leave it, leave it. Then you would have visited some places, right?
yeah,
Some any state you have visited. You're from
Maharashtra, Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, okay, Maharashtra. And which are the states you have been to? Different states.
Different state, only Gujarat.
Okay, Gujarat. Like, how is Maharashtra different from Gujarat? What are the things you liked in Gujarat? First, talk about that.
I like Gujarati lots of because there are roads are very good. There are no means if we see the roads in Maharashtra, there are lots of difficulties we face when we walk and bike our drive our bikes. So it is very difficult. But in the Gujarat, their roads are very nice. There is no problem. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there I saw there was also there is no need to ask for a gas. They delivered your gas at home by meter connection, and also means like a light electricity. And
Mm-hmm.
there are lots of job vacancies available. Infrastructure are
Mm-hmm.
good. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, and climate also good. If you go there, so there is sea nearby. You can go and roaming there. But in Maharashtra, all those things not available. So I like Gujarat.
Okay, you like Gujarat more than Maharashtra.
I no because there are so many places where you can go and roam easily.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
in Maharashtra also places available, but sea not available. See, only in Bombay you can go. You can want to see roam and sea level, so you can go at Bombay and you can do the
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, all right. So for vacations, it's better to go to Gujarat, right?
Gujarat. Oh yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay. Okay, when you said drive our bikes, you said, right? Drive our bikes. It should be ride our
go
bikes.
ride.
Ride.
Okay,
Huh.
okay,
Bikes, ride, and car is drive, right? And then
right, okay,
you were searching for a word where the roads were not good. You meant, you were supposed, like, you wanted to say that, but you can use a word here. It is known as potholes. Like, Maharashtra roads there are filled with potholes. Potholes means gadha. Many
okay,
gadha. Okay, that is potholes.
okay.
Okay,
Pothole.
potholes.
Mhm.
Potholes.
Okay,
Potholes.
pothole. Mhm.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah. So, is there any particular state you would like to go in future in India?
I saw lots of temple available in South India. South,
Yes. Yes.
uh, yeah. So I want to visit South India. I want to
Mm-hmm.
see all temples because I
Mm-hmm.
saw in the on the internet and in a mobile videos on YouTube. So
Mm-hmm.
it is my dream to visit South India and also Uttarakhand because Uttarakhand is also nice
Yes.
place for visit. So two places I want to visit in future.
Okay. Mm. All right. Let your dream become true. It's not big
Yeah,
deal, right? You can do it. Yeah. And
okay.
whenever you are coming, welcome.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. And is there any particular place you have heard in South India that you want to
Means
visit? Mm.
for visiting.
Yes.
I heard, but I can't remember because your language is different. So in your language, the is different. So it is very difficult to remember. And
Yeah, yeah, I
so
got it, got it, got it. No, I'm not pressurizing at all. I don't understand that. All right.
yes,
Okay. Yeah. So, if you're going out, suppose out of India, where would you like to travel?
United States,
Okay.
United
And
States of America,
is there any other place?
Japan,
Okay. Why is that so? Japan
because
and
they
United.
yeah, because if you ask about Japan, these people are very fast. They are very intelligent and they do the work from childhood. Okay, so I want to see how they do all this work and how see
How are they
how
ahead of us in terms of
yeah
technology, right? Hmm.
yes because they are a
Okay.
very technical person. So I want to see all those things in
Okay.
Japan.
Okay. And USA?
It's a only for visiting purpose as a
You don't want to
foreign
go to UK? In
UK.
Britain.
Yeah, England. So yeah, I would like to go visit also UK.
You know what? It is my dream to go and see our Kohinoor diamond.
Okay, you want
Yeah.
you want to rule on UK?
No. I just want to see what was ours, Kohinoor diamond, which is in their museum, right? It's not fair, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
So
because
I just.
they ruled on
Mm,
India lots of over a year ago. They ruled
yeah.
on our country. So that's why I
Mm.
asked you. You want to rule on UK?
Oh, no. I don't have. I don't want to colonize or I don't want to rule any particular country because we know how it goes, right? If you rule a particular nation, right? If you become someone of the nation, you would might ruin it because I am from a different country and that country is completely alien to me. So I wouldn't do much good to that country. Maybe that's the
Yeah.
perceived thing, right? That's the notion. So I wouldn't like to do any sort of trouble to anyone. All right. You
Then
said
I'm just
in.
kidding with you.
No. It's okay. You said on India, right? It should be in India,
In India.
in
Okay.
India. And then this peoples are, you said. It might be a slip of tongue. I don't know. You said peoples. You know, right? What is right?
Yeah.
Yeah. These. You have to say no. This people. These people are
These people.
okay.
These
Yeah. These
people.
people are. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any
Yeah.
questions?
No, ma'am, I don't have any question.
Question. Okay. Okay. It
What
was
what
nice
you think
talking.
about? What do you
Yeah,
think
yeah,
about it?
I am going to say. Yeah, yeah. Of course, I'll give you the feedback. Okay. So I think, see, grammar and stuff, rules, okay. But then when you apply it practically, it becomes a bit hard. So that will only come through practice. Okay. Consume a lot of content. Try to
Your voice,
think. Yeah. Hello. I was saying
ma'am, your voice
consume
is
a
not coming.
yeah, I was saying consume a lot of content, think in English. And thinking in English is very important. Like 10 to 15 minutes, just try this daily, every day. Okay.
Okay,
Apart from that, you should consume a lot of content. I would say to everybody that itself. And there's a YouTube channel that you can follow, which is known as English Connection. Okay. That is a good
okay.
YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Good, good, good. All right. So can you just give me the past tense of this particular sentence? Okay.
Okay.
I think about you. The past tense
I,
of this.
I thought about you.
Very good. Um, I I have I I bring food.
I brought food.
Brought food. I buy clothes. This is wrong English, okay? But I want you to say the past tense. Okay.
I what you say? I
I buy clothes.
I bought clothes.
Hmm. Bought. Bought.
Bought clothes.
Bought. Buy is bought and bring is brought. Right. Okay.
Brought.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Fear, phobia.
Okay. Arish, so have your English improved? What do you think about that?
Uh, yeah, little bit, and most of all, my confidence is increased because
Mm.
few days ago I don't have confidence to speak in front of the camera. I don't have confidence. I don't had a confidence to speak and record my own videos. Up now today means nowadays I have confidence to record my videos and upload that videos on YouTube.
Okay, okay. That is great. Okay. You said my confidence is increased, right? It should be my confidence has increased.
It has. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And then I don't had a confidence, you said, right? It should be I didn't have any confidence. Okay. Previously, I
Okay,
didn't
okay,
have any confidence. Right now, I have confidence. And yeah. Okay.
okay.
All right. So you have a YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of the YouTube channel?
9 minutes English.
Okay. Interesting. And what are the things you post in that?
General things, fear of English speaking, and about goals, motivational videos, and our Clapingo videos.
Okay, okay, okay. That is nice to know. All right. So if it was maths related, I would be down to that. Like I would have gone through those because my maths was very weak. You said that
Oh,
the yeah, fear of English, right? For me, it was the fear of maths.
okay. Actually, same as well. I'm also weak in a math.
Okay, okay. You're also
Yeah,
weak in maths. Me too. Yeah.
yeah.
I just wanted to get rid of maths somehow. Like till my 10th standard, I bore the weight of maths, and then in 11th and 12th, I just got rid of it. So I was happy.
Okay, okay.
And
Now
what
you are
about you?
student.
Yeah, yeah. I'm a student. I am doing my masters in English, journalism and mass communication. I did my bachelor's in English and communicative English. Yeah. So that's about
Okay,
me.
okay. Where are you from, ma'am?
I can you guess? Do you have any guesses?
Delhi or Kolkata?
No, no, no. It's far behind. I'm not from Delhi. I'm not from Kolkata.
Far behind Himachal Pradesh.
No, no, no. I'm just saying that it is too far. Like Delhi and Kolkata is just too far. I am from South, basically. I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. Oh,
Yes, yes, yes. I'm from Kerala.
okay.
I was in
Let
Jharkhand for quite a long time, but basically
yeah.
I am a Kerala. Yeah, I'm from Kerala.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kerala is a good state, and lots of people have a knowledge of English and they speak fluently. Because one app I use, and that over that app I used to speak with Kerala people, lots of
Okay.
students.
Which was the app? May I know that too?
I think, sorry, I forget this app.
Okay. So sorry, I forgot. Hello. Hello. Hello.